Sabay natulog.
Okay, kaya to the una, are you excited na ba for the Canada shoot?
Halo-halong emotions, to be honest. It took me parang 2 days ata to pack kasi ang hirap i-pack for 1 month. And then the team nandun na din syempre. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ma-feel ko, but definitely I'm very excited kasi finally natuloy na. Eto na, mauna ako kay Alden and then tuloy-tuloy na yun. I'll see you guys in a month.
Yeah, but how long are you going to stay there?
Until 1 month sakto. So, 23 after 23 depends pa. Hopefully matapos lang namin yung mga nakaschedule. And sana maayos yung weather, yung mga locations and all. So, yan, pag-pray nyo na lang kami doon na sana maging smooth lahat siya.
So, kumusta naman yung preparations and expectation for the shoot?
Preparations,